Emily inherited her parents' property in Jacksonville, Florida, which should have been a time to reflect and heal. Instead, Emily felt overwhelmed. The house needed updating and repairs. The expenses were growing. Managing the property from another state felt stressful and uncertain. Like many property owners facing a difficult situation, Emily wasn't looking for pressure. She was looking for clarity, honesty, and a real path forward. Her friend recommended Warrior Home Solutions. Emily connected with Warrior Home Solutions. From the very first conversation, Emily felt relief and knew the experience would be different. No confusing promises. No pressure to make a rushed decision. Just a professional discussion focused on understanding her situation and reviewing possible solutions. After evaluating her property, Warrior Home Solutions presented Emily with a transparent, market-based proposal tailored to the home's condition and her specific circumstances. The process included clear communication at every step, time to carefully review the agreement and ask questions, the option to seek independent legal, financial, or real estate advice, flexible solution pathways depending on the property and transaction structure. Most important, Emily felt respected and informed throughout the process. What once felt overwhelming became manageable. Warrior Home Solutions understood that her property situation was unique. Emily learned in the process that Warrior Home Solutions deals with inherited properties, major repairs, and updating problem tenants' vacant property concerns, financial pressure, relocation challenges, and tight timelines. Our goal is to help property owners explore professional real estate solutions with transparency, respect, and clarity. Warrior Home Solutions works directly and through strategic acquisition partnerships, depending on the nature of the opportunity and transaction structure. We believe homeowners deserve honest communication, transparent processes, professional treatment, time to review decisions carefully, real options without unnecessary pressure. If you are facing a difficult situation, Warrior Home Solutions invites you to connect. Start the conversation, understand your options. Most importantly, you move forward with greater confidence. Do it today. Complete hassle-free solutions that handle the details, reduce stress, and simplify the process from start to finish. We buy properties in any condition and help homeowners navigate difficult or time-sensitive situations with practical, straightforward solutions designed to reduce stress and create a clear path forward. Contact Warrior Home Solutions today. Let us help you move into the next chapter of your life with confidence.